god, I'm so bored. God! God! Oh.
Isaac, you're still here? You're still inside? I feel like you should go outside and get some fresh air.
Okay.
And don't forget your sunscreen.
Fine. Mommy, come help me! I'm so lonely. Ah, my poor back. You guys are so mean.
Whoa, who are you?
Oh, I'm sorry. My name is Ashley and I am the Mother Nature Fairy. It's nice to meet you, Isaac.
Nice to meet you too.
Who's he talking to?
Mommy, come help me. I'm gonna try to help.
I can run faster. I bet you're wondering how I know your name.
How?
Wow, I know everything. Just how I know that your mother told you to come outside, which I'm glad that you're finally outside. Aren't you?
Yes.
Let's take a look at the sun, Isaac. Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah.
By the way, did you put sunscreen on?
No.
Isaac, didn't your mother say to put sunscreen on?
Yes, she did.
Do you know why we put sunscreen on?
Why?
To help protect us from the sun, Isaac. The sun is so bright that sometimes we need to be able to protect our skin from the UVs. And guess what?
What?
Look at me, Isaac. Guess what? Do you know being outside helps reduce cortisone levels? And do you know what cortisone levels are?
No.
There's stress hormones. Don't you want to be outside like me, stress-free?
Yes.
Take it in, Isaac. Take a deep breath. No, Isaac, really. Take it in. Take a deep breath, Isaac. Put your hands down. Take in the fresh air, Isaac. Take in the fresh air. Are you taking it in? Are you really taking it in?
Yes.
Are you really?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I have other kids to go pop up on, so anytime you need me, I want you just to look at this bench, the fresh air bench, and I'll be right there. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, gotta go. Bye.
Oh, my knee. Oh, my knee. Yeah, we can play. Yeah.
Go ahead, call it, Allison.
The Mother Nature Fairy scene.
Oh my God, no!
The Mother Nature Fairy scene 1, take 5.
Action. Oh, Lord, have mercy on me.
Alright, Maya, if you laugh one more time, that's it.
The Mother Nature Fairy scene 1, take 6.
Action. Lord, have mercy. Oh my God.
Who are you? You're good. All right.
Just remember, just be scared when I come in. And you just be as dramatic. Just like, whoa! Be like, oh my God.
I'm really dramatic.
Whoa, who are you, okay? Because look, I just rolled up on you. Okay?
Like stranger danger.
So bored.
Chancey, I caught you in 4K.
Alright, well, okay, Isaac, go back and do that again. Oh, no, we weren't even rolling.
Yeah, we weren't even rolling. I need you on the other side.
The fresh air bench.
Other side. Other side. That was dope, Nia. Other side, Isaac. This side. Isaac. This side. Not on the...
Walk to the left.
Isaac, on the other side of the car. Walk to the bench, but I need you to be sad. No smiles, nothing. Action. Wait, Isaac, you're not supposed to be crying. You're not supposed to be crying. You're just supposed to be mad. You're not supposed to be crying.
I'm so depressed.
Again. That's all we needed. You got it.
Finally.
That was like take 10.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, take 9, 10, something. Action.
Who's he talking to? I don't know. Let's just go.
Reset.
Oh my god.
Reset, reset, reset.
Oh my god.
For real.
This is so funny though. I can't do this.
Action.
Who's he talking to? I don't know.
Jesse, what happened? Jesse, what happened?
Her voice.
Huh?
Her voice.
Let's try it again. Action. Bruh.
Hi, Isaac. How are you?
What? Who are you?
Oh, well, I'm glad you made it outside, but I'm the supernatural fairy.
Mother Nature fairy. Alright, come on. Okay. What she said?
She's a runner. She's a track star. She go everywhere. I want to go.
Say it again.
She's a runner. She's a track star. No, but I said it loud. I said it loud. Please. No, they were running and I was like, she's a runner. She's a track star. She go everywhere. I want to go.
Yep, go.